Hi, my name's David Welch. You've seen me on a couple of hundred TV shows and a couple of hundred YouTube videos, all showing you how to get your classic truck back on the road safe. Today, however, I'm going to show you how to make your truck look cool, because that's what we're also interested in. On your 73 to 87 and on your 67 to 72 trucks, your license plate looks like this. Not good. It's about 2 inches below the bumper. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise that up with our flush license plate bumper kit here that also comes with LED lights that are going to illuminate this a lot better and make you a little bit safer too, along with being cool. Now this only takes a couple of minutes to take out and put back in. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to come back and show you what to do on your wiring. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put our lights on, and they just simply go right through the license plate and your flush mount kit. We want to make sure that we grind off a little bit of the paint or powder coating on here so we get a good ground. You're going to want to get an eyelet here. We'll slip this over our wires first, making sure we got good ground contact. We'll put our nut on right here and we'll screw that down. Once those are on, then I can go ahead and connect my wires here. Now black is going to be ground, so we'll simply take these 2 black wires here and we'll twist them together. We've got our black wire here that's going to our ground here. I'll get a butt connector and connect those, or if I have time, I'll solder all that together and shrink wrap it. We'll make sure these are clamped really good. And then our positive right here is red. We'll go ahead and we will twist these 2 wires together. And this right here is the plug that originally came with the old license plate. So I just cut a bit of that wire off. I'll strip this here, and then we'll go ahead and put a butt connector on this too. Then I can go ahead and bolt this in and see how good it looks. Okay, so you saw how we did the wiring first, because obviously once it's in, it's a bit of a drag. Your main thing you want to remember is your ground. Make sure you've got good contact. You grind the paint off, not just where the lights are hooked up, but where it bolts to the bumper too. Now we're nice and smooth. We slam this thing on the ground. We're not going to have to worry about our license plate dragging. Make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because I've got hundreds more of these suggestions for you.